How to make pesto 2 ways. So we're gonna take fresh basil and wild garlic and do it in a traditional way in a mortar. Add some wild garlic with basil together, a drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and then you're gonna add some pine nuts to it, and a bit of Parmesan cheese, and we're gonna finish it with a drizzle of olive oil. You need something about this kind of texture so you know when it's done. And for the second way, we're gonna need some herbs. Let's put it in a food processor, some salt, some lemon juice, some olive oil, pepper to taste, and that's all you need. And just blend it until thick consistency is formed. Use some more olive oil if you need. And we're gonna test this recipe now, and we're gonna make some gnocchis. Fry the pine nuts in olive oil, add some garlic, cherry tomatoes in it, boil the gnocchis and add it to it, and then we're gonna use our special pesto that we made just now. I'm gonna use some pasta water to develop a consistency, some more pine nuts if you need, some mozzarella cheese, some Parmesan, some buffalo mozzarella if you need, this is up to you, and that looks delicious.